Hey guys, it's Mike from Making Makers. Let's go ahead and build the ultimate snow fort.
Magic! There's people that work there!
Welcome into our crib!
They're cooking! They're cooking! Hello!
You awoken me! Come this way.
Alright, you guys gonna show me around?
You may follow us.
Okay.
This
This is how you enter?
Not always.
Oh, okay.
This is our living room.
Wait,
Our dining room.
The dining room?
It's our electrician.
Is this your electrician?
That's what we call our boat. Yeah.
Okay. You
By
cook.
the way, we paid him 200 cat gold for.
Oh, you paid this electrician. Electrician, are you good?
Diamond.
Alright.
And we have a water.
Alright, what's this? Are you
This is
sure-
our moon. This is our moon. It shines bright.
The moon, okay.
So bright. And this is our special egg.
Oh.
Very bright.
Oh, wow.
So special.
Is it made out of crystal?
Yes.
Oh.
This is our stable. This is our stable.
Oh.
We Randy the reindeer. We washed him up.
Oh, wow. Is this his food?
Yes. And this is his food.
Oh, you have your own ice rink. Wow, that's fancy. Our figures. Oh, nice.
And then this is our slide.
Oh, is this your slide? Is how you? Oh,
We call it the snide.
the snide. All right, snide, show it to me.
Here's a fun trick for building a super cool snow fort. Grab some of those big buckets from Lowe's or your local hardware store and fill them up with nice tight packed snow. Think of them like giant snow bricks. Then you can stack them up to build the walls of your igloo or ice castle. While I have your attention, makers, please take a moment to smash that like button and give this video a huge thumbs up. By the way, ever want to make a tall snowman without having to lift heavy boulders? Try using this technique and you will be amazed at how easy it is to make. Okay, back to the video.
Yes, Layla. There you go. What's in there? What is that?
A tunnel.
Oh, hey, Alana! Oh my gosh! How many people were in there?
Crystal! Oh, I found another crystal. Did you fit? Inside.
Okay.
One person.
Oh, hey! Hey!
I think I'm seeing
There's about 100 more of us.
What? Who are you?
Oh, my butt's stuck.
I thought you were on this side.
I want to. No, I'm Bill.
Oh,
Who are you?
There's a line behind you.
Okay, I'm in the line. Another one. What? Okay, go.
All right, let me get Alana. Well, Alana, what are you doing over here? Alana?
I'm making crystals.
Is this what a crystal looks like?
It's a crystal cake.
Is this? Ooh.
That's a crystal.
Show me how this works. How do you guys get out of the castle? Layla, how do you get out of the castle? Woo!
Go! Here she comes! Yeah! Hi, Layla! Good job, Alana! Yeah. Okay, Avery's the queen. Hello? Can I come in? Hello?
No.
Who are you? This is a strange. How many kids are in here? Hey, Avery! Are you the queen? You're sitting on the throne. Barrett's the king. He's on. Hey, what's your plan? Why don't you take it off, then flip? Like on the ground.
Alright, take it over toward Ava. Run over there toward Layla. Oh, run over there. Bend it in.
Okay.
Go inside. Go inside.
Okay.
I don't think it's
Okay, that's cool. Okay, there you go. There you go.
Alright, I got it. Alright, everyone
Layla.
reach as high as you can.
There you go.
This way. I want to make sure this doesn't flop on the inside. This way? Yeah. Uh-oh.
You might have to spin it to get it perfect.
Guys, okay. Right here.
Okay.
Is that good?
This is awesome. I cannot believe this works.